Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve your skill set with Khan Academy, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Khan Academy website at www.khanacademy.org. Create a free account if you don't already have one. Log into your account using your credentials. Upon logging in, explore the various subjects available on the platform. Select a subject that interests you or aligns with your skill development goals. Once you choose a subject, you will see a range of topics to explore. Click on the topic that you want to improve in. Within each topic, you will find videos, articles, and practice exercises. Start with the introductory videos to grasp the basic concepts. Take notes as you watch the videos to reinforce your understanding. After watching, proceed to the practice exercises associated with that topic. Work through these exercises to test your knowledge and skills. If you encounter difficulties, refer back to the videos for clarification. Make use of the hints and explanations provided during the practice. After completing the exercises, check your results to see your progress. Set specific goals for your skill improvement journey. Dedicate regular time each week to practice and learn. Consider joining a community or forum within Khan Academy to connect with others. Explore additional resources such as articles and interactive activities. Use the progress tracking feature to monitor your learning achievements. Engage with the challenges and quizzes to further enhance your skills. As you become comfortable with your chosen topics, move on to more advanced materials. Continuously revisit concepts to reinforce your learning. Evaluate your overall progress every few weeks to adjust your learning plan accordingly. Stay disciplined and motivated as you work towards improving your skill set with Khan Academy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.